morning. I'm here at McDonald's again for breakfast. I moved here from the KFC because KFC opens late. I cannot wait. They open at 8 and I'm there at 7:20. So I cannot wait that 30 minutes. So I'm here at McDonald's again. I just ordered my food. I'm out to do my grocery at Robinson Mall. I ride along again with my grandchildren. Thank you. Deja. Now I have my food again. My favorite coffee with.
Order 197.
I always I need to ride along with them in the morning because they go to the school and my daughter goes to the office. So I ride along with them. So we all go on one way. So here I am again having breakfast at McDonald's. I always come here because it is the nearest place where I can eat. KFC is just adjacent here, opposite to the building where McDonald's is, but I cannot wait and it's very hot there outside. It only open at 8 and I was there at 7:20. I cannot wait that long, so I have to come over here at McDonald's again. Same routine. What else could I do? So here I am again having breakfast while waiting for the mall to open at 10 o'clock. I will just take here the tricycle about 1 minute and I am there at the mall. So this is the McDonald's here in the city where I live. I'm just taking the vlog before I can eat. This is it. This is the McDonald's here. It's a busy morning. There are the toys for the kids. These are the giveaways. I'm just taking time before I go to the mall again for my groceries because it is my schedule for grocery. It's my schedule for groceries, so I need to have breakfast again. I'm bored at home every day, just watching YouTube, watching TV. It's good. I have friends in Vegas, so I always watch on YouTube. That makes my day. At the age of 69 years old, a colon cancer survivor, I'm still kicking with life. After all the surgeries and check-up, just like I said, I just had my tumor marker check-up 6 days ago, and I'm very happy. The result is all normal. So thank you God, and I still have more years to live despite my colon cancer surgery last August 2021 during the pandemic. I survived it. So life must go on. Here I am. have my breakfast, coffee, and the burger that I like. I don't go. I really like to go and eat at Kentucky, at KFC, but the problem is they open late, so I have to come here at McDonald's. Now I have to prepare my. This is my coffee. There you go. It's my coffee. Anyway, I got already. I still have to wait about maybe 2 hours more before I could go to the. Before I would go to the mall. 2 hours more to wait, so I have to sit down here, eat, have my breakfast, and then wait for 2 hours to go to the to the mall. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my coffee again. Thank you.